Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Under the Night Moon, and I'm here today to do a flip through for you of this gorgeous Christmas journal that I made recently for my Etsy shop. I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through for you of this journal so you can see all of the beauty inside using the absolutely amazing papers from the Pixie Dust files. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I did a reel of this book, and oh my gosh, these papers are so gorgeous. I did use mainly the Christmas kit, her new Christmas kit, but I used some other papers of hers as well. And so you can go to her shop, and of course I will link below so you can find all the papers that I used. And then of course just some laces, pom-pom trims and things from my stash just to add to this book. But oh my gosh, these papers, I just love. This gorgeous paper just took my breath away. So yeah, on the cover, this gorgeous angel is from another one of her Christmas kits in her shop, and I made it a little pocket, and then I had some fun with the Tim Holtz rub-on images that he has, and this is throughout the book, which I'll show you. Oh, excuse me. And then I added this really beautiful sparkling charm just to add some interest to this gorgeous angel, and then the gold embossing on the top. And I've got several requests for the stamps that I use, and I will show you. This is a stamp, and I have stamps from all over the place. Some of them are Anna Griffin, some of them are this is from Hobby Lobby. They're little tiles. Whenever I see like an intricate design is what I usually use for the embossing. So I hope that answers questions. I get that question quite often, but I love shopping for stamps. I love just stamping in general, so I hope that helps. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. I just made some fun little tags here for you. If this journal is going to be a gift, this would be just, I always think, a fun place for you to write a note, or if it's, you know, commemorating a memory, you know, you could put the date, you know, Christmas 2023, that sort of thing. Or just places for you to journal and have fun. So that's on the cover, although you can tuck that anywhere. It's one signature that I've sewn. I've got music paper on the spine here, and then I know I showed the gorgeous papers. My signature is right here, by the way. So let me show you inside on the cover. I used, I'll take everything out of the pockets so you can see. I used all of her papers. And then I have a lot of ribbons, trims. These are just pipe cleaners that I twisted into little candy canes. Just loving the pink vibes right now, all the trims. This is 3 layers of pom-pom, this really gorgeous embroidered netting, and then another layer of ruffle, and then tulle. Just gorgeous. And then this is from a dress. So beautiful. And then I did get this embossing folder this year, so I wanted to use it. So beautiful. And then just some ribbons, trims, and then inside beautiful imagery from the Pixie Dust files. So gorgeous. Ready for a story or pictures. Just love, love, love. And then this is a gorgeous Anna Griffin frame card that I just thought went really well. And then I did tuck in this pretty little heart doily, just because it's so dainty and pretty, and I just liked the way it looked behind the images there. Some beautiful ribbons, this gorgeous snowflake paper. I did put a little Holy Family on the other side, and I did some gold embossing there. And then I tucked in here just beautiful tags. This journal belongs to, and then a Christmas card. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I just embossed it with some ribbons. And then on the other side, you're going to see some of her new images. And oh my gosh, I am so crazy about these houses. There's a pink house down the street from me that is actually being worked on right now, but it's the most beautiful Victorian home. You just wouldn't believe how gorgeous it is. You can find it on YouTube if you just search Victorian homes in Detroit. You will be amazed at the architecture here. You just would never believe. And it's so sad because they're run down, and but the most ornate homes. And what I love is the home down the street from me here is pink. And so she's got the pink houses, and I just love, love, love them. So I can't wait to play with her new set coming out. And then this is an image I got online, but I love the little bunny under there because there's bunnies everywhere here. And then another gorgeous image from her Christmas collection. And that one's in here also. Just adore that little girl. So sweet. I did add a lace page for just texture and beauty. Just keeping it delicate and pretty like the papers. And then this is another one of her images. Love, love. It's a little flip down. And this is some fun ribbon I got at Hobby Lobby. So you could do some private journaling there. Add a picture. You can see, oh, I didn't mention, but both of these books that I have are stitched in gold. And I have found the trick to stitching as gold is just to take your time. Yes. So you can see the gold thread. This is a little acetate tab that I added up there. Another little tuck spot here. And then I attached Merry Christmas up there. And then I added some beautiful paper for you that I just had in my stash to journal on. And then one of her really fun Santa tags. How fun is that? Oops. It's just gorgeous. The colors, her digitals are honestly, they just take my breath away. She knows how I feel about her digitals. So beautiful. I can create with her digitals literally all day. And then some more fun papers. So I think I've got 3 of her. I used all of her digital kits that she has in her shop. I'm pretty sure I used all of them. So I will link them down below so you can see. And then this is a little curtain from her ballerina kit. And then here's another little image. And I just made it a little notepad. This is a little embossed angel. And then just some of her fun backing papers. I always try to do a little notepad so that you've got a place to write down recipes, favorite memories, just little things that you need a little place for. And then some fun beaded tassel trim. And then the pink copy paper was a must. I did do some spraying with my mica stains, which I'll be doing more of that coming up. It's so fun, and they're like pearly. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or not, but if you have the mica stains, you'll know what I mean. If you don't, I highly recommend them. They're super fun. Precious, I just stamped Precious down there. And then this is, oh my gosh, her deer. These deer are so fun. I had so much fun. I embossed the tops using a Tim Holtz stamp, a little tiny bell, and then just a trio of ribbons and a beautiful rose. I've been following this person in Canada who has this beautiful deer that he rescued. And so when I saw these tags, I knew I had to decorate them and add them. So this is just a fun little tag for that. And then I had some fun. So this is a flip down of one of her writing papers. So you've got this to journal on. It's attached with washi. So it opens up. So you have all this space to journal on. And then I included sort of like a little pocket there. Another one of her images. And then I did use the paper clip to hold the deer onto it. And then I had some fun with my soldier ribbon. And then inside here is just a whole bunch of fun little sequins and all kinds of goodies for you to play with. And hopefully my table is bright enough for you to see. all the fun goodies in there because I can see like the sun is going down. But anyway, I love this ribbon. I stitched it in gold and backed it with some embossing paper. And I just love all of the sparkly vibes that that does. And then just like I said with the paper clip, and you can put that anywhere. But I did attach our little deer, and she can go anywhere too. And then on the other side of the page, just a little tuck spot, more journaling space, and again, just more fun papers for you to play with, to journal. Like I said, I really love to make sure you have a lot of papers and journaling cards to write your story. Love this little deer. Just love. So those get all tucked in behind. And then this is the center of the signature. And I'm going to take everything out so you can see, because that's the center. And because these papers were so gorgeous, I didn't want to cut them, so I just folded them into little pockets. So you can journal, you can add your pictures, or just leave them like they are. And then what I did was I took the 2 large tags from her kit and kept them plain so that you can write your story on the backs here, and then just tuck them like I did in the pockets. And then each one has a little card, or this one. Actually, I think I had it like that. It doesn't really matter. You can see how beautiful her papers are. And then on here, I made 2 little tuck spots, again, using the Tim Holtz Christmas rub-on things. These I got at Tuesday Morning a while ago. But I just love the foiling on there. And then, so inside these 2 little pockets here on the front, I just added some gorgeous little vintage images, little tickets and tags, a fun little embossed Christmas ornament, a little Christmas tree here, let there be peace on earth, and another little journaling paper from the Pixie Dust files. So lots of goodies for you to play with in this book. And you can see the sparkling eyelash trim I used to tie the signature in. Really fun. And then on the other side, again, just stuffing these pockets with all kinds of papers. These were just some offcuts I had, but so pretty. Attached with just the little brad so they lay flat. And then just some more papers. This one's really fun. This has just some Christmas trees and a coffee cup, which I love. A little cake. Gorgeous, gorgeous imagery on her papers. Oh, I just never get tired of any of them. And then some cute little girls by the Christmas tree. And then this is a darling little mushroom. So cute. And I made it a little tuck spot. Again, you can see the foiling there. It's a little reindeer, so cute. And then I added this super fun little soldier, and then just some fun, I think this is wrapping paper, but it's just, I love the pink and the holly. And then again, the other side of the pink papers, I stamped memories, all kinds of places for you to journal. And then the other side of her fun journaling papers. So pretty. Love the hanging ornaments there. And then I attached some of this beautiful ribbon, which I love. It says Merry and Bright. And then this has a front pocket here, and then the back pocket here. And that's a good, you can see the foiling there. So pretty. Just love it. And then in this pocket, I made this tag out of this beautiful fabric, and I just kept it real simple because I love the flower. It's just pretty. And then I added a magical Christmas to you and backed it with some beautiful Christmas paper so you can write all along the back there. I just love this flower, and I love the white, just adding that texture. Another one of her beautiful cards, ready for a story. And then in the front pocket here, beautiful Christmas image of Mary, this darling little girl. I just love the dog is holding the present. And then another one of these really fun, elegant name labels in the gold. I just love those. So that's in there. We're almost done. This is, I love finding old, look at this gorgeous paper first though. Isn't that beautiful? I just love her papers. But I was saying, I love finding old Christmas cards that are just elegant and beautiful and just giving them a new look. This one was a really large card, but in the center it had this gorgeous deer, and it's embossed and foiled. And so I just kept the deer part, and you can see it's all sparkled, and just made it a pretty little pocket, kind of highlighting. And then what I did was I I foiled the little reindeer across the top of the house, which I just think is really cute. Perfect for this little book. And then another gorgeous card from her Christmas collection. And then this is a beautiful gold foiled Christmas card from an Anna Griffin collection that I had. Just love to share the things I have in these books. The other side of that, really beautiful lace. Here you can see how beautiful those aqua papers are from her shop. Absolutely gorgeous. I haven't even begun to play with these papers yet, but I will. They're so beautiful. And then here you can see I just did the foiling December 25th, the little Merry Christmas down there. And then I did put a little soldier in here as well. And you can see just a little snowflake paper. And then this is a pocket. And I added that darling little toy ballerina in this pocket. But there's plenty of room on both sides for more. Like I said, this book will come with another little... Oh, I might not have said that. Well, if I did, I'll just say it again. All my books come with a extra little envelope of goodies for you to play with. And so this book will be listed in my Etsy shop. By the time you see this video, it will be in my Etsy shop. You can see the gold foiling on these deers. I just love them so much. So I tucked one of those in there. This book is going to get two little bows right here. But I wanted to get these videos done because I'm pretty sure they're going to do a parade down my street. And it's going to be really loud. And also, I didn't mention, but my sister is shuttling me to Florida. I'm so excited. I leave on Monday. So if these books sell, or this book rather, they will be shipped off Monday because I will be in Florida. Only for a week, but I am so excited. I can't wait to say hello to my old stomping grounds and just feel the warmth of the sunshine for a little bit. I'm very excited. So thank you all so much again for your amazing comments. Whether they're here on Instagram, I'm so grateful. The feedback on my Etsy shop too. I just want to send a shout out. I wish I had time to just go back and type to every single person. Just thank you so much for your beautiful feedback. I read every single one. And there are a few I need to comment, and I will get to all of them, I promise. But I just want to make sure I say thank you. And I'll be back before Christmas, and I'm going to be making some more Christmas things, whether Christmas is here or not. I just think it's a really fun thing to do, no matter what time of year. So anyway, thank you so much again for watching and everything. Of course, leave me a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on Instagram at underthenightmoon. But just have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video, everyone. Bye for now.